Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Tashkent, was good time spent. If that's your intent, oh, 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 Tashkent.
Okay, I'm in Tashkent. This is the apartment that I am renting out right now. It's $72 and it's right in this location with a balcony, and it overlooks the Tashkent City Mall and the Tashkent City Park. So we're gonna go down there in this video. It's funny, there's a guy, I don't know if you can see him, but see that guy right there? There's a guy right there sitting on the ledge. Amazing. Anyways, we're gonna walk and check that out in the evening and show it to you. Tashkent, the Boulevards next to the city park. So we'll just put this up on the map and you can see it's right next to the box there. All right, let's get right into there as if you're there yourself. Another video in Tashkent, Uzbekistan. Yeah, so you saw the window right there. So that's the bedroom. And then this is the living room, just to kind of give you an idea of where I'm staying. I turn the air conditioning off. It's 95 degrees right now. So it's hot, but it's desert, so it's not too bad. Okay, so we are going to go out there. Man, that guy makes me nervous. That guy that's sitting, he's like sitting on this thing right here, but he's like right there. Anyways, we're gonna go down there ourselves, but we're gonna take the elevator down. Hopefully that guy doesn't, oh, man, I hate to even look at that guy. Okay, anyways, we're gonna go down there. This is the other side of the apartment. I don't know if you can see that sun, but it's amazing right now. Oh, it's like a desert sun, just kind of bright, going through the buildings there. Anyways, we're going to be going down there, and then we're going to walk around to the other side, and through that park, and into all the cool stuff. Okay, so we're into the courtyard. We're going to be going through, we have to go around, and then we're going to be going through that way towards that city park right there. And this is the other side of the apartment. So pretty cool little space. Okay, let's go through that. So so there's called the Boulevard right there is the name of this. And then you can actually see that there's places for rent up there. Okay, so we're gonna go through that way. Yeah, that sunset, we can kind of see it through the trees a little bit. And yeah, there's Phuket Street. That's our entrance right there. But we're going to be going through and around like this and then all the way down that way. And then these are some of the signs. So there's a Metro Underground, Shopping Avenue, and Tashkent City Park. So now we can see this whole space like this. Oops, this has to go like this. Got a fountain in the middle. So yeah, this is this little area adjacent or across from the Tashkent Park. And also the Tashkent Mall. So we're gonna go through here and to the other side. You got this beautiful little fountain right here, surrounded by all these buildings, and you even got live music. So you got music here and also in this space too. Looks nice. So we're gonna go into that way. Yeah, it looks nice. All these beautiful buildings. So I guess they call this the Boulevard. So we're gonna walk all the way through. So yeah, this is a little slice of Tashkent. So we're gonna just walk all the way down. And then we even got these little, I guess that's a skincare thing, but they have little kiosks and stuff like that. And lots of places to eat on the restaurants too. So you can see these on this side and also on that side too. You're gonna walk straight through. So we kind of getting into the park now, so we're just gonna go all the way down. I think we're gonna see all the lights coming on in a little bit too. So, but this is kind of the entry spot into the park. There's a lot more people at nighttime than in the daytime, so that really changed significantly. So yeah, I guess as the sun goes down, it gets busier and busier and busier. Okay, so we'll end the video from the apartment window, from the balcony.